Hello, I am going to do a wheel change on the Blademaster machine. My current wheel of choice is called the 8AS, which I find to be the greatest wheel for hockey skates. It's a ceramic blend. I've used many different wheels from Blademaster over the years since I was a little guy, but this particular wheel is going to go on the hockey side. Now for figure skates we use a different wheel, and got a few here to show you for the opposite side of the machine. In the center is the cross grinder, and on either side we have the finishing station. So here we go. Let's get a pink wheel for figure skates there. Just these are the best wheels for figure. Amazing. Now it's called the 36243A 88R. Beautiful stuff. The boys have ordered a blue compound from Blademaster also, and I find the pink wheel to be superior. The blue is called 8MXR. So in order to install a fresh wheel, you want to make sure your machine is clean, no dust, and we don't want to hurt any of the screws. So vacuuming the dust is imperative, which I did previously. As I remove the top 4 bolts to get at this wheel, I will vacuum a little. So let's install the 8AS on the hockey side.
These folks have a game in a few minutes if you can do this.
I need a fresh wheel. Yeah, I can. Whoops, they're hollow.
He didn't know.
Standard, half-inch.
Yeah,
I got that. I need to put a fresh wheel. This wheel is very low, and so I'm doing a wheel change. You can put those jets right up here.
Okay.
I got you. I have to change the wheel.
Don't make a video right now.
Okay.
Because then these folks are going to show up any minute.
I got it. They do need fresh wheels on both sides. They're both smoked.
And I did buy you a sandwich. You got it.
Thank you. So there's 4 bolts to remove the top. And here is the head. You should be able to see. And now I'm going to vacuum this stuff. Alright, so to remove the wheel, I use a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver to fit in this little hole, which then you can wedge against the top of your head. This will fit skinny number 1, like a skateboard Phillips head, not the fat number 3 for skis. So we put it in here, and you use this guy to remove the cap. And I will vacuum to get any dust away from the cap. Now you can see the old wheel is worn down to the number 5 almost. It's very low. I don't like to go any lower than that. We have in the past. You can see the meat on a new one, 7 and beyond. Beauty. There she is. These are the best. You put this little guy, the washer, on the top. And this is what's going to screw down to secure your wheel. Make sure it's facing the correct direction. You're going to want to use some leverage to make sure it's tight. With the Phillips head on the right hand side of the head, you can hold for leverage and then tighten with your tool. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now it's very tight. So this little guy will tighten the head. Cap it off with this. And the 4 little holes hold the top plate on our particular Blademaster machine. So it's these little guys. That's what you're going to screw in to hold the cap. As far as cutting the stone, we use diamond rolls. Back in the day we used quills, and I'll explain that real fast. For many years, you would dress the stone to whatever hollow you desired with the rest like this. And some of you still use it for sure, the diamond quill, where you can adjust for different hollows. This we used many years ago. Now, we can offer different cuts with these diamond rolls, such as standard and what they call flat bottom V. So because the roll spins this way, you can do a flat bottom V cut as well. It's a new roll, so I'm going to turn it on, and this guy's got a game, so we're going to zing these out at a 1/2 inch cut, and it's going to get loud. So I think I'll show you quickly how you cut the stone. Make sure to line up your shield so it's not touching close to the wheel. Now we'll fire up the exhaust, and I will roll this guy in with the top adjustment till it just kisses the wheel. It'll spin and cut it, in this case, to a 1/2 inch cut. It's a brand new roll wheel, so I'm going to give it a little bit of cutting, and then I'll zing these out. Been sharpening since I was probably 12 years old, and I do love this Blademaster machine. So thanks for watching. That's how you change a roll and then cut it. Sharpen your jets.